Hey, welcome back. Ismail here. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. As you can see, the market is swimming in the Red Sea right now. It's not looking too good. With altcoins down 10 to 50 or more percent. So where are the price likely to go? Let's find out. Let's start off with Bitcoin. As Bitcoin price slide below $34,000, what are the key levels to watch for? The price of Bitcoin fell below $34,000 on major exchange, including Binance, as the cryptocurrency market corrective phase continued. Large inflow of Ether into exchange was spotted before the latest turndown, suggesting that ETH wells might have led the most recent sell-off in the market. In the near term, the major macro level for Bitcoin and Ether remain at $30,000 and $2,000 respectively. According to Trader like Trader Cause, that actually rhyme. If Bitcoin can remain above $37,000 throughout the weekend and recover around $37,500, the chance of overtaking $42,000 become high. However, if Bitcoin remained below $37,000, the likelihood of range between $30,000 and $35,000 will increase sharply in the short term, referring to $37,000 as the mid-range. The market has been weaker than many traders expected, as technical analysis anticipate consolidation until the US and London market open on Monday. It is crucial for Bitcoin to retain the $33,000 support level to avoid another retest of the $30,000 support area in the near term. Hence, to recap, $33,000 and $35,000 remain a crucial support level in the near future, while $39,931 and $42,000 are the major resistance level. But one silver lining in the market is that Bitcoin miners are currently not selling according to traders' legs. Well, that's my time.